Is there anyone who has not seen the movie PK? We all remember this movie and the sweet PK, an iconic character performed by Mr. Aamir Khan. Inspired by this movie, we have created our own PK, who has come to make a survey of our Gola. We have tried to give some creative and unique touches to our play. So our PK has come to the earth as he has heard a lot about India. The cleanliness campaign started by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, educating girl child in India, and many such issues. So let's meet our PK and see what kind of experience he had in India. We will also see whether he wants to go back to his planet or becomes a citizen of India. So let's see our PK.
Ashu.
Hey, it's mine. Hey, I'm the winner. I have won it. Now give my marbles. Cheating. 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 No, I'm not cheating. No, give me.
Now it's my turn. Spaceship for the sound.
Hey, look at there. What a shame.
Naked man, naked man, naked man. Hey, why you touching my child? Leave it. Leave my pants. He touched us. Let me touch him.
OMG, they are getting shocked.
Hey, see what I have got.
Hey, show me. Wow, what a toy.
Side, please. Gunjan, book.
अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे बाबा, दे दे बाबा, दे दे अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे बाबा, दे 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 दे
अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे रे बाबा, अल्लाह के नाम पे दे दे।
Hey, give me my coin, give me my coin, give me my coin.
Oh, so these Indians talk in Hindi. Thank God. Now I can learn about them more. Good morning, sir.
Hey you, Langa fellow, stand where you sit. Teacher enters, no notice. Fully insulting. Your mother, father manner this. Speak in English. This English coaching, not a local language. Full stop. You together thinking, English speaking like a rice plate eating. No, never. Not.
English speaking, not a child's play. English speaking like a undertaker's play. Again time careful. Again time this behavior, then touch to my fingerprints. You chick, big chick. You chick, red chick. Understand? The postman, the collector, leader from the fever stanzas funda. Now what? Stand up.
Oh my god, I didn't understand what you were saying.
Oye, don't take tension. Take this book and you will learn the language very easily.
Oh, this is English. So Indians can speak more languages.
Hey, stop. What are you doing?
What happened, sir?
What happened? Why are you walking in this middle of the road? And tell me, why are you wearing this yellow helmet?
So what happened, sir? This is my choice.
My choice. My choice. Atamaji Satakli! Now come with me in the police station. I will show you what I can do. Come.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I am very upset.
Upset? Why are you upset?
Sir, you're a police inspector. Only you can help me.
Yes. Tell me your problem. I will help you.
Sir, someone has taken my locket.
Oh, locket wa. So where have you lost it?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know. So how will I help you? Oh, okay. You now go to God and pray to Him. Only He will find your locket wa. Understand? Better understand.
है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है। भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू।
Lali, Lali, where are you?
Yes, Mama, I am here.
I have been calling you. Are not you listening? What are you doing?
I am studying, Mama.
What the hell is this? Studying. So much work is pending and you are studying.
I have to prepare for the exam.
What are you saying? Are you mad? No. Go and wash the clothes. Then bring vegetables from the market.
But you can also do this. Then why are you telling me?
No, never. Lalla will not go. He is a boy. And he has to study.
I also have to study, Mama.
Lali, don't argue with your mother. Listen to her. You are a girl. And what will you do after studying? What will you do? Ultimately, you have to go to your sasural. And there you will be doing only jhadu pocha.
Of course.
Now go and do as your mother says. Go!
Oh my god! What is happening? This is very wrong. Excuse me, sir. May I say something?
Who are you? Just go from here.
Sir, I am from another planet. And I am very upset seeing all this. On my planet, you don't have any difference between boy and girl. We all are equal. And in your country also, women and girls are leading in different fields. You can take examples like Sania Mirza, Sania Nehwal, Dangal sisters. And you can also see our principal ma'am. She is the leader of KV number 2 Indore. Can't you see all this?
Oh yes, you are very right. Now we will treat our children equally.
Yes, Shambhu, you are right.
Yeah.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है?
Oh, what a day, bro. Bro, nice.
Hey, what were you doing?
Hey, who the hell are you? Just go from here.
Hey! Why are you chasing us? Just go from here and mind your own business. Go! Leave!
Okay, I will show you my business then.
My friends, as you all know, India is a great country. But then also, some people spoil the image of this great country by showing their cheap mentality. Just because of such people, girls of our country are facing a lot of problems.
So we request you all not to misbehave with girls and ladies. They must be given an atmosphere where they can feel free and safe. They are the real creators of the nation.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी नंबर 133 कासगंज से
कॉलेज तो ठीक है।
पीलीभीत
कॉलेज से यहाँ पे
पैसेंजर
घुसा दिया
अपने
मैंने।
निर्धारित समय दोपहर के 3:20 पर प्लेटफॉर्म
Oh Kiran, don't be so slow. Hurry up, hurry up.
Wait, let me WhatsApp my mother that we have reached the station.
Oh, leave it. Tell me, did you switch off all the lights and the fans of the house?
Oh, let me recall it. In the morning, I prepared tea and breakfast. Then I took bath. Then I packed our suitcase. We took taxi. I kept the tickets. And now we are here at the station. Hayo Rappa, I forgot one thing.
What happened?
Hayo Rappa, I forgot to switch off the gas.
Oh, don't worry. I also forget to close the shower. Now the water will automatically extinguish the fire. Don't worry, don't worry. Come here. Come, sit.
Now you can sit, Lakshmi. Carefully, carefully, carefully. Take it.
Oh, Muttu, it is too hot and there is no fan.
Ayyo, you need a fan?
Yes.
Wait, Lakshmi.
Now it is much better. Ayyo, Muttu, I need water.
Ayyo, you need water? Wait. Oh, Paji, please take care of my luggage.
What? Luggage? Your wife is your luggage?
Ayyo, I am talking about this luggage.
Oh, sorry. आओ जब भी पढ़ो आओ.
हाँ, hello Babua. I'm here at the station. I'm coming tomorrow. Are you taking care of my cows and buffaloes? Are they all right? Okay.
Hey, what are you doing? Lakshmi ji, do you like to have an orange?
Thank you. I have brought so many things like idli, dosa, sambar, vadai. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. I'll have it.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India Open Gangnam Style Open Gangnam Style
Che! What is this? This place is so dirty. What is that? Hey, save that man! That man is committing suicide on railway track.
Let me see. He is not committing suicide.
Yo, he's emptying his stomach.
Chee! You people use open areas as toilets.
Yo, what are you talking?
Leave it, man. It is a common sight.
By the way, from where have you come from?
I am from another planet, and these are unusual scenes for me.
You are talking too much. Just tell me what you have seen.
You people spit anywhere. You people throw garbage here and there. And by all this, you are spreading many diseases like dengue, malaria, chikungunya.
It is not so, my friend. You just know half truth.
But only few people are doing this. Otherwise, we would have started a revolution in the field of cleanliness.
Absolutely. We have lot of examples like cities of Indore and Chandigarh. These are some of the cleanest cities of our nation.
And our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has also been leading us to follow the teachings of Gandhiji regarding cleanliness.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहीजे पीड़ पराए जाने रे.
Gandhiji had started this cleanliness movement and now we are following his footsteps. That's why this is the right time, this is the high time to take a pledge to make our country disease and garbage free. Healthy India.
Wow! What a country! I love this country! And I have decided that I am not going back to my planet.
Jai Hind.